Lhamo, son, come. Go, Shula.
Let's go for our evening.
I use our app to check how much calorie I burn. See, from here I will start my running. Like start 3, 2, 1, go. Want to say a few words? Guys, we are going for Kora. So Kora is a Tibetan word which means making a circle. Usually, you are supposed to make a Kora around the monastery, Gomba. Yeah. So it's obviously around 5:30. So most of here people go for walk around 5:30.
As you can see, the monks are going for a Kora. And also they're enjoying the views because we won't get another view like this.
At this time, the sunshine won't be here, but the view is mesmerizing, as you can see. I want to say to all the viewers, if you are not going for a walk, I think you should.
Yes.
Because for me, connecting with the nature is very important, you know. In life, sometimes you may feel, down. But whenever you connect with nature, you will see your life as a wider perspective. Then small problems are nothing, you know. Also, I think it's very important to connect with nature, going for a walk at this time also. It's already passed. We passed 1.4 kilometers. Right now we reach the main road. This way it's lead to main road. This way it's our school.
This is our Genla.
Oh yeah, Genla just today.
This way it leads to the school, Tibetan school over here.
My younger sister studies here. She's like 8th grade.
This way it goes. It leads to the main road
And
to
leads
go
to
for
Kora.
city, Mysore city. And
Hey.
from this way we can go for
Camp. More camps.
more other camps, Tibetan settlement camps over here. As you can see, there's so many lamas, gurujis going for work at this time. I think this is the best time to go for a walk, you know. And usually I would prefer to go for a walk alone, so that I can do more self introspection. So it's kind of like meditating on walk. Like I think this is very important. Look at the views. So right now we are going for a walk, and as you can see, most of the other lamas, monks are going for a walk also. This is the best time to go for a walk.
I'm also capturing your videos.
To tell you my
Just like
achievement, I actually gained a lot of weight when I first joined here. Right now I lost almost 5 kilo. So I think going for a walk is very
Healthy.
helpful.
Yeah, healthy.
Apart from your professional, your work, your job, your academic lines, I think it is very important to keep your health, keep your physical healthy, and also emotional hygiene.
So this is the new Buddha stupa. It's about to build here in J Village. This is our beloved Genla, named here Genla.
One of our favorite teachers.
Yeah.
He got
Most
an
of our
experience more than 40 years of teaching. Gegin should be called Gegin Chemo.
Nào là cho Stella.
So finally we crossed almost 4 kilometers, and this is the main gate of our Gume Tantric University. So this is the end, I think.
And of Kora.
Yeah, and we want to say finally, Chikman Chingkanti Jayo.
We call it Lango in our language, so it's bigger than this.
This is normal in India ecosystem, staying with animals peacefully.
Yeah, but I'm scared.
Say hello. Probably right now it's Riglam time at monastery, so we also have Riglam at 7:30.
Yeah, see, like this straight up. The little monks are like doing.
Good night,
Bye.
everybody.